I just bought a hoodie from the Inngest swag store. Now, by the time the page redirected, 4 durable endpoints had run, encrypted my email, retried the ones that hit a hiccup, and dropped a row in our fulfillment spreadsheet. This is my Stripe webhook that fires my store/order.placed. That's the only thing that kicks this entire thing off. So I have 3 stepped out runs. I've got my stepped out run capture payment, my reserve inventory here, and my send confirmation. Now, at each step, this is a memoized boundary. So if step 3 throws an error, it doesn't mean that we're having to run steps 1 and 2 all over again. Their results are persisted. So we never double charge a card and we never reserve that inventory twice. Now, if we didn't have ingest, this is a queue. It's a worker, it's a retry logic with exponential backoff, it's idempotency tracking, a dead letter queue, and a dashboard to watch it all. Or we can just go up and use a ingest.create function. So each step transition publishes to 2 channels. One is scoped to the customer's public page and the other to the public admin tracker. So it's the same data, different audiences, and no WebSocket plumbing on my end. And I'm using step.realtime and publish, and I've got 2 of these. One is going to emitting to my order status, my order channel, and the other one is to my admin channel. So again, no WebSockets, nothing that I need to do. I'm just running it once, and in real time it publishes to every channel that I need. Another thing I want to point out is that we have PII, but I'm going to ensure that that is encrypted from the very beginning. So right here I have my data.encrypted, and what ends up happening is I'm encrypting the email, the name, the phone number, and the shipping. So the encryption middleware that encrypts everything, this comes straight out of the box with Inngest. Inngest storage and dashboard only ever see the ciphertext. So when the function runs, the middleware decrypts it, the function reads it, and it writes to my sheet. And also, step outputs are also encrypted at rest. So if someone gets a peek at my Inngest dashboard, they don't see any customer PII. Let's actually run through this right now. This is my shop, and I'm going to buy a hoodie. Let's buy an XL hoodie, and we're going to check out through Stripe. And all of this is going to show every step that we have in here. So now we're going to be redirected to Stripe. Gotta love the Stripe CLI. We're going to go Sterling at Inngest. Now I've got that order put in. Now everything is done. Let's go and watch everything that happens. So here I've got my capture payment. This is actually showing the real content that's coming from the server. So this is the real code. This is my output. It shows that it's succeeded. I've got my hoodie and I've got my recipient. And down here at the bottom, you can see here's actually showing the code. This is showing the code in real time. So, I mean, I love this. Let me know what your thoughts are, and thanks for watching.